Before you can enroll any Apple devices, you'll need one important thing: an Apple Push Notification Service Certificate, commonly known as an APNS certificate. This certificate creates a secure connection between Apple, your devices, and Addigy, and without it, enrollment won't work. The good news is that this is a one-time setup and usually only takes a few minutes. Before we get started, let's talk about the Apple ID you'll use. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Apple links each APNS certificate to the Apple ID that creates it, and you must use the same account every year to renew the certificate. Using a personal Apple ID is fine for trials or evaluations. For ongoing or production use, though, Apple recommends using an Apple ID that's owned and managed by your organization. Each organization also needs its own APNS certificate, so this account should represent the organization that owns the devices. Once you've confirmed which Apple ID you'll use, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that we've covered the basics, let's walk through the setup. In Addigy, go to the onboarding page and click Add Push Certificate. Then click Next. From there, download the certificate signing request, also known as the CSR file. Next, open Apple's Push Certificates portal in your browser. This is separate from Apple Business Manager. Sign in using the Apple ID you just confirmed. Once you're logged in, click the green Create a Certificate button. You'll be asked to read and accept the terms and conditions. Click Accept to continue. On the next screen, add a short note describing what the certificate will be used for. Then, below the text box, click Choose File, select the Addigy CSR file you just downloaded, and upload it. Click Upload to create the push certificate. After the certificate is created, click Download to get your push certificate file. Now return to Addigy and click Next to go to the following screen. Click Select PEM file, choose the certificate you downloaded from Apple, and upload it. Finally, give the certificate a name. Then enter the Apple ID that was used to create it. That's it. Your push certificate is now active and ready to use.